So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to price your books on Amazon KDP for maximum profit and not to overcharge your books and not to undercharge, right? So if you are a new subscriber, please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming. Let's move into the video. Alright, so without further ado, I have already opened let's start with the Kindle. Alright, so now there are some reasons why you will have to price your book. I will not do this video, will not be long, so that you don't waste much of my time. But there are some reasons why your book should not be overcharged and it shouldn't be below charged. You should not be undercharged as well. Now this is the Kindle version of this particular book. Alright, so if you have been following my videos, I've been using this book for some of these few tutorials. So now this book is over 120 pages, and so but what you have to understand is when it comes to Kindle, this is the limit. Kindle, you only have the privilege to charge from $2.99 to $9.99. Alright, so you cannot charge more than $9.99 on a Kindle, whether it's 1,000 page book for as long as it's Kindle. Alright, so you have to know how to price your book, and pricing varies based on niche. I wish it's a proper tutorial, but I don't have much time. It varies based on niche. It varies based on, from our perspective, right, from the niche, the type of niche, whether it's a cookbook, whether it's a travel guide, whether it's a self-help niche, whether it's the biography, whether it's an educational book, and whatsoever it is. It varies from niches, right? Now a book of 120 pages, a travel guide, I can price it as high as $7.99 and it will be bought. Though this pricing was because of one tutorial, so if you have been one pricing this book, my price is of maybe $5.99. yeah, because it is just 120 pages at most, and it is a travel guide. So when you charge it as that, you are earning $4, which is not bad for this particular purchase on this book, on the Kindle version. Alright, now the reason I'm charging this is because I actually have a breakdown range I do for my books. So apart from the niches, I also price my books based on pages, right? So aside from the niche, if actually this book is a trend book, whether it's just 15 pages, which I don't do books like that, let me just say 30 pages, whether it's a 30-page book, I might charge it as high as $7.99 because trends sells very well, especially at the moment that the trend is going. So no matter how much you charge, people are ready to buy, right? But for travel guide, it's actually at some point not really, it's a seasonal book, not an evergreen book. It's a seasonal book, especially when you tag it with the years, like let's say 2025 and the rest. Yeah, so it's a seasonal book, but for that case, people still buy it for a long time. So if it's high, people will not buy it. So for niches like that, you have to price it according to the niche standard. So you have to price it according to the niche standard. For instance, you come to Amazon and then you search for let's say Maldives travel guide, right? Travel guide. So you have to search and then see other people's pricing. So if your books are like that, you price. So most of my Kindle books are just $4.99, $5.99, $6.99. So from $4.99 to $7.99 are my range. All right, so I actually go for a royalty of $4 to maybe $5.5. yeah, that's for the Kindle. All right, let's go back to see the paperback. Alright, so as you can see, for this book, this is the paperback pricing. Now actually I've already priced it at $14.99. Alright, I'm aiming for a royalty of 6.15. Now the book, as I said, is not actually a very big book. It's just 110, it's not up to 120 pages if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so but one of the things you have to consider is you have to consider you can see people with this title
in this niche, they are pricing 17.99. You know, so your book ranging, your price ranging should not, you don't go and price your book maybe let's say let me show you. You don't go and price your book to maybe 29.99 or 25.99, because they said maximum you can price on paperback is $250. No. Depending on the niche too. So yeah, that's why you have to come to Amazon and then you see the pricing. So if your book is within that range, then you are good to go. At least you are competing with these guys and you can see their price, they are also within that range. So you putting your one at 14.99 to maybe 17.99 is not a bad idea. So this is somebody like Lonely Planet are very big brands, so they actually, you can see how many reviews they have, their own art, and also these are not books to compete with, but for a book like this one can sell at this price, right? Can sell at this price. Yeah, so you should know how to market, how to price your book for proper marketing. Don't underprice. Don't go and be putting maybe 8.99 and you are aiming for maybe, I just aiming for, let me try something, maybe let's say 9.99. You can see aiming for $3. It's very bad. It's very bad. You have suffered to write this book, so at least anything maybe let's say 14.99 or 15.99 is not bad, depending on the page size. All right, depending on the page size. So thank you for watching. I believe you have learned. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe